Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video I want to show you how to get PS5 or PlayStation 5 box filter on Instagram. First, you can open your Instagram app here. Then you can make a story. Add to your story. Then you can search the filter. Swipe again until you can find this browse effect. Okay, tap on and then search PS5. Now you can pick one you want to use. For example, I want to use this. Okay, then you can tap on try it. Can tap anywhere you want to put your PS5. For example, I want to put my PS5 here. Don't forget to resizing the box. For example, like this. Then you can tap capture. Okay, now the PS5 box already on my desk. Then you can post it to your story. This. Okay, this is a disclaimer. This filter is just for fun. You are not allowed to misuse this filter. For example, you want use this filter to sell or fake sale, to fake giveaway. It's not allowed, so you can use it responsibly. Okay, I think it's enough. Hope it help. If you like this video, please like our channel, and if you have some question, please drop your comment below, and thank you. Bye bye.